Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share my interactive artwork, Garbage Collection Echo, created with P5.js. This project blends data visualization, generative music, and field recordings to explore the impact of waste on our environment. My inspiration comes from artists like Samia Halabi, whose bold geometric art influenced my visuals, and Ryoji Ikeda, who turns data into sound and visuals through mapping. I was also inspired by John Cage, especially his work with randomness in music, which helped shape how I combine structured data with natural sound. I also drew from different sound art theories. Music concrete, using recording sound as the raw material. Electronic music, creating sound from basic principles. Serialism and aleatoric music, balancing planned composition with random elements. For this project, I first found sounds of the squirrels by kicking keys, and I learned a lot by studying and analyzing how the artist structured the code and organized the data files. Then, I used over 100 photos of little collection taken in places like China, Ireland, Morocco, and Poland. I pulled geolocation data and counted details from each photo, organizing everything into a CSV file. I also generated music from this dataset using twotone.io and mixed those sounds into my P5.js piece. Now, let's take a quick look at how the code works. First, data loading preload. I use preload and load table to load the garbage location.csv file, making sure it's handled correctly with success and failure callbacks. Second, data processing. Process table data. This function turns the table rows into objects, storing the raw data and the calculated visual properties, position, size, shape, color, etc. Third, event triggering. Play sound. I go through the process data using for each and schedule sounds and animation use tone.js and p5.js. This creates environmental like vibrations. Each event is triggered in order use tone.transport.schedule once, so the audio and visual stay in sync. Fourth, dynamic highlighting and text display. The current index variable updates in real time to highlight the data points that are currently active. The update current data function displays this info on the screen. 5. I add a play sound and visualize button that lets users trigger the experience themselves. For the visuals, I wanted something vibrant and organic. I was inspired by artists like Mandarin, pop art, Voramana, Impressionism, and Monet Water Lily. I used the soft ripples and blur effect to capture nature's resonance, like wind rustling through trees and cans shaking in the breeze. Ultimately, Garbage Collection Echo aims to turn environmental data into an immersive, sensory experience, encouraging people to look at the waste and nature in a whole new way. Thanks for watching.